Welcome to our tutorial on automating your Google Slides presentations. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to set up automatic playback and looping. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, this feature can enhance your presentations. 1. Autoplay during presentation. Open your Google Slides presentation, click Slideshow at the top, choose either presenter view or start from beginning based on your preference. Display the presenter toolbar by hovering over the bottom left corner of the presentation. Click the three dots on the right of the toolbar and select Autoplay. Set the desired timing between slides, from every second up to every minute. To loop the slideshow, select Loop at the bottom of the menu. Click Play to automatically run your presentation. 2. Autoplay when publishing to the web. If you plan to publish your slideshow online, go to File or Publish to the web in the menu. Choose either link or embed based on your intent. Use the Auto Advanced Slides drop-down to set the timing. Check the box for Restart the slideshow after the last slide to enable looping. Optionally, mark the checkbox for Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. Click Publish and obtain the link or embed code for your slideshow. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.